Hello everyone, Namaste and happy Diwali to you all and welcome to my channel Code with Teacher Gupta. It's a huge welcome to you all. It's fifth day of our consistency with the SQL series and I am very glad to be here with you, and it's our consistency, not only mine. So let's be together, and you saw that the surrounding sound, so please avoid that because it's Diwali day and there's so many crackers story here, and where also a cow sound will be there. So please also let go that all the sounds and only focus on my sound and my voice. Okay, so thank you everyone for such a cooperate, and let's continue with the questions. Okay, so today I'm solving the questions related to SQL and from the hackering, and the old questions above the question number 8 I solved in my early videos. So please check it out if you wanted to know that how to pull, and if you are also come from this video that videos, so I'm very glad that you are watching my videos and I'm so happy for that. Okay, so let's continue with the today's question, and the today's question I took of my series, that is weather observation station 8. Okay, so let's continue. First of all, I have to switch my server, my SQL server. Okay, so what the query says: query the list of city names from station which have vowels A, E, O, I, U as both their first and the last character. Result cannot contain duplicates. Okay, so it is a quite simple. First of all, I have to tell you something. So before solving this question, you have understanding of either rejects, R-E-G, rejects, and I think it's whatever. So you got one rejects, or you have the function knowledge, that is left function or right function. In my last video, I used the rejects. Okay, so you get a quite idea what are the rejects and what are things. But also as a short, I will tell you that rejects are the kind of a operation or kind of a symbols used for finding the patterns, and it's a simple thing and you can easily learn it through various kinds of videos. Okay, there's so many videos on a YouTube and on net, so you can go through it. Now, what are the left function and right function? So in today's video, I will totally use left and right function. Okay, so what the left and right function are? So left function and the right. So first of all, this two will take arguments. Okay, the first argument and the second argument. Okay, the first argument will tell of which. Okay, of which and to what. So let's consider. I'll consider this spelling number. Okay, so NUMBER. Okay, if I will using left function with number, so left, okay, and then comma, and to what belongs to the total number of numbers we want in. Okay, if I will tell 1, so it will take only one character from the number which one is prior, so n. If I tell 2 numbers, so it will take n u. If I will tell that take 4 numbers, so it will take n u m and then b. Okay, if I will take 80 numbers, so what? So it will take all the numbers from it will take all the letters from the number. Okay, it is not about that how much you can. It is the main concern about the thing, the integer we are using in the left function as a parameter is that to how much you want, not at least what, to how much. Okay, so we want number up to 80. So the total number, the total letters those are present in number will take all. If there is anything else, it will took. Otherwise, it will just leave it. Okay, this is all about the right. Now left. So left up. Now it is about right. What is the right? So right. This time I'm taking station. So S T A T I O, and then it is similar to the right, similar to the left function. The only difference is that the left function starts from the left side of the value, left side of the one, and the right will start from the end of it. So here is also an integer. We'll take. Okay, please focus on the topic instead of my handwriting or what I have written. Okay, so if int will be 1, so it will take the stations n. If int will be 2, so it will take on. If n will be 10, so what total number is letters of the station? So it was 3, 3, 6 and 7. 7. So remaining 3 will also be taken as blank. Okay, so S T sorry. So you will put na S T A T I O N station. Got it? So I think you got my point. That what the station will be. Now continue with the queries. So query the list of the city name from a station which have vowels as both the first and last, and result cannot contain duplicates. For duplicacy, what we need a distinct function. So S select DISTINCT distinct. For what this is the distinct of cities from where? So we have to write station. STATIO at from stations. So select distinct from a station. Okay. Now where what where? City in sorry left of city comma 1. It means what this implies, it will implies that the left, it means the first letter of city. This implies that the first letter of city will be in what? In A A E I O, and that one is U. Okay. Similarly, now this is about the first letter. All about the first letter. That first letter will be in A E I U. But I also want the last letter, so I am using AND. AND is a relational operator which is in SQL. It is similar to the Java. And let's continue with the right function. So right of city is in same as this, and that's it. Now we have to run the code. And guys, sorry for the turbulence that it was there. I'm living on the main road and it was causing so much sound. I am also irritating with all this kind of sound. So please avoid this sound and only focus on my voice, that what I am saying, and focus on the questions. Okay. So here's the congratulations banner we have, and the test, the sample test for the particular query is there. Now focus on the query, that what we get. So ऊपर को Upar is a city which having the starting character as a vowel and swallowing the last character is also vowel. Okay, East China. So East is also vowel and A is also vowel. MO. A is vowel, O is vowel. So you can go through with the all cities and you saw that there's a no one city which is having uh, which is not having that a first character and a last character of city is not a vowel. Okay, so let's submit the code and okay. So congratulations, bearer will also arrive here. Just take time. Yeah, it is also arrived here, and it means we are good to go. Now continue with the ninth question. And for a ninth, I am taking the weather observation station 9. Okay. So the question says that what the query we want to hear. Query the list of the city names from station that do not start with vowel. Okay, not start with vowel. Your result cannot contain duplicate. It is the same as the previous one. We have to just come. First of all, I have to switch my SQL server. So select for distinct. I need to distinct. Okay. Now, what distinct? Distinct of cities. From where I have to select from station. From station. Okay, from station I have to select the distant city from station. Now what they are told that they need that the left the first character of a city, the city will not start from vowel. So for this I am using a special left function which is determine the first character of the city. Now a first character is not. Okay, so not and in I am using a not for what, for this one. Okay, so a will be not being a, then e is also vowel, so it will not be my collection. A, e, then I is also not included, then o is not also included, and u will be not included. Not u, it's alphabetical u. So select distinct city from station where the first character of city will not be in this. Okay, now run the code and congratulations, it was also being same thing. So we want that first character will not be vowel. So K is not vowel, L is not vowel, S, T, 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 S, N, G, G, C, E, H, D, M, P, R, G. These are not a vowel. Okay, so you can check all the cities name if you want that any one will be giving, and I am assuring that no one will give this. Okay, so let's submit the code and submitting quite good. Congratulations, the runner is also arrived. So let's move to the next weather observation 10. Okay, so what the query tells? Query the list of the cities from name from the station that do not end with vowel. Similar to the prior one, in prior that's told that the not start with the vowel, and now they're told that find the city that not end with vowel. Okay, so same as the prior, select distinct city from where, from station. Okay, from station. Now what, from where, what kind of, so last, so it will be right. Right what, right first will not in. What not in, it not be a vowel. So a, e, sorry, I, and not o, and also not u. Again saying it's alphabetical u, not u. So let's run the query. Okay, so query is also same, giving us correct output that S is not vowel, R, K, N, R, L, K, N, Y, Y, T, R. These are not vowels. I am just taking the random that H, White Horse Beach is also not start with a vowel. Submitting code is also successful. Now bye bye. Now the code is running well and everything is good. So I'm done with the SQL for today, and all of you happy Diwali, and we will continue with tomorrow with again next 3 questions. So till tomorrow revising SQL is on you. So if you wanted to check how to be more optimizing, so solve the current question, and also you can refer my videos. At last, bye bye and have a nice day.